right. Back here on the old Pierre Cardin Evolution. Fancy lines. Anyway, last time, never mind, we're not going to make a lines joke. So I've loosened up the tension bolts back there for the torsion bars, which we're going to get to that later. I've sprayed the slider bolts here on the front calipers because these front hoses, these front brake hoses, they are new. They seem to have been installed when the ball joints were installed and the bushings were neglected. So, going to work on getting that apart. Need to pull these off. Going to get the calipers and the rotors off of both sides. And then probably I'm going to have to pull the shock. And then pull the upper control arm bolts out. Get the uppers off. And then we'll work on getting the lowers off. So, we've got some stuff to do. Scotty's taking a little break because he's been cranking since 5:45. And yeah, so I'm going to crank on this. And then we'll see where we're at. Slider bolts are out. Got the brake hose off, as you can see. Come on out, crusty caliper. Yuck. All right. Two-handed operation. I'm trying to do it one. So let me put the phone down. I'll pull that off. And we'll get that off and go to the other side. All right. Caliper, rotor, all that shebang bang is off. I know we touched on it when we did the inspection. But if you replace this brake line, and you replace these ball joints, and you replace the sway bar stuff, I can't stop reiterating this. Why would you leave this? Why would you leave this? Why would you do a brake hose with old crusty rusty pads that are cracked on a caliper that was stuck on? I no comprende. Anyway, all right, I got that stuff apart. Going to undo the upper ball joint next. Get our brake line up and out of the way the rest of the way so I can swing it over yonder over here so it's safe. And I'm going to get started on our upper control arm.